Namaskar, and once again welcome to our channel Nishi Say Learning. Today we are going to start with Same 2 Chapter 1 Standard 6 GSEB. गुजरात स्टेट बोर्ड से हम लोग चालू करेंगे Same 2 Chapter 1. So let's begin with our session. The name of our first chapter of Same 2 Standard 6 is Mama Angani. What is the name of the chapter? Mama Angani. That means our body. Mama means my body. Mama Angani. Angani means my body. So you are, most of them are familiar. Only thing here is that we are going to learn all the body parts in Sanskrit language. हम लोग बचपन से ही ये बॉडी पार्ट सीखते आ रहे कि these are called hair, teeth, this is face, ears, everything we know. But the only new thing here is that कि हम लोग इसे संस्कृत में क्या बोलते हैं, तो यही हमें आज जानना है. Not much difficult, only you have to remember all the new words. Okay, so let's begin with Keshaha. Keshaha means hair. They have shown Keshaha. Keshaha means hair. Mama Keshaha, my hair. Keshaha, but of course एक सिंगल बाल तो नहीं है, इसीलिए केशाहा hair. कर्णः. कर्णः means ear. हम लोग ने देखा है सेम वन हस्ती एलिफेंट के चैप्टर में हस्ती के कर्णव बोले थे, क्योंकि poet was defining the two ears, but here they have only shown one. So karanaha. Karanaha means ear. Here it is जिह्वा. जिह्वा देखो कैसे लिखा है, जिह्वा. जिह्वा means tongue. tongue. स्वाद, जिससे हमें स्वाद पहचानने में मदद मिलती है. जिह्वा means tongue. देन यहाँ पे देखिए ललाटम. ललाटम forehead. ललाटम means forehead. देन नेत्रम. नेत्रम means eyes. ये भी हुआ है वर्ड हस्ती के ही चैप्टर में, eyes. एंड आई means नेत्रम. अगर दोनों है तो नेत्रौ. नासिका nose. नासिका nose. मुखम whole, this is face, it is called as mukham. Mukham means face. Griva. Griva means neck. Griva. दंताहा. दंताहा means teeth. यहाँ पे भी उन्होंने प्लूरल फॉर्म में दिया है. दंताहा. दंताहा. ओष्ठः. ओष्ठः. ओष्ठः means lips. ओष्ठः. हस्तः hand. हस्तः. हस्तः हस्ती नहीं, हस्तः. वक्षः chest. वक्षः chest. उदरम. उदरम means stomach. मराठी में एक श्लोक भी है, उदर भरण नोहे, मीन्स उदरम मीन्स स्टमक. ओके, क्लियर अप टिल हियर? Now karatalam. Karatalam. Karatalam means palm. Karatalam. Karatalam means palm. Karatalam. Padah. Padah. Padah means leg. Charanah. Charanah means foot. Okay. Charanah, Padah, Karatalam, Udaram. All these are our body parts. Many are there, but you have to learn here only few. So let's see the exercise. The main intention to give this lesson is that you must be well versed with all the body parts they have given in this text. So write it and learn it. So first one is Mukham. Very easy. Mukham. Dantaha. She is smiling. Dantaha. ओष्ठम या फिर ओष्ठः. कर्णः. आप इसे लिख लीजिए या फिर इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, चलेगा. मुखम, दंताः, ओष्ठः, कर्णः. क्लियर? Now, netram. Netram. Karatalam. Charanah. Now next question is, different parts of the body are given here. Analyze them in 3 sections given below and pronounce them correctly. So in short, उन्होंने एक सूची दी है. उन्होंने एक सूची दी है. Name of the body parts they have been given and what we have to do, हम लोग को उसको अरेंज करना है. ये देखो, in question number 2 they have given you this list of few body parts, and here let me write. First is parts of head. यहाँ पे हमें parts of head. In second column we have to write parts of body. Parts of hands and legs. Okay. In the first column we have to write parts of head. Now see here, dantaha, oshthaha, karaha, netram, vakshaha, and etc. So among these, which are the parts of head? So what are the parts of head? First is dantaha, then oshthaha will also come, right? Then karaha, no, it will go in parts of hands and legs. Then netram, they have given in your book as hastah. So karaha or hastah, both will do. Okay. So netram, netram where it will come? In the first column. Then vakshah, vakshah is body part. Then mukham. Then udaram, udaram is also part of the body. Then nasika, nasika will come in the first column. then charanah, and the last one is jihva. Jihva. Okay. In the second column, actually, you can write all these because all these are body parts only. Because we are learning mama angani, that is my body part. So each of these word will come in the second column. So I hope you understood this chapter. Please go through all the words again, learn it by heart it, and practice it by writing. Share my video with your friends, subscribe the channel. Till then, Jayatu Sanskritam, Jayatu Bharatam.